absence of light. These are the eyes of a psychopath.
Hello, and welcome to Space Cat Presents some tragic news from CBS News, New Zealand. Another victim of the Buffalo shooting has been identified as Gores, age 35. RIP. RIP Bernie Gores. He protected that Pepsi with his life. Who are you talking about? This is Bernie Gores. He was loved by many here in Conway, South Carolina. This is so fucked up.
My ding ding dong.
Oh no. No! Okay, return that off before it continues. He should have tried appearing offline, real talk. This is the guy from the podcast. Big ups to his son, Liquid Richard. Got to his cousin, Sean Ranklin. We gotta give that a like. Bye, Bernie. How many lives does this guy have? He had done killed him 3 times now. They were triplets, all named Bernie Gores, different middle names. This made me laugh, and I had to share with you guys, because what the fuck is wrong with you people? Anyways, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you for watching. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below, give me all your catnip, and have a wonderful day.